Good afternoon, everyone. It is October 10th, 2022. This video will be a plan for tomorrow's RTH session. That is for October 11th. The Globex session has started just about 90 minutes ago, and we are trading at 36.35 currently. Now, for tomorrow's session, I've placed the pivot at 36.52 half, and that is the prior year's low. Our weekly close is at 51 quarter. We put in a lot of volume around that 52 area not last week, but the week before that. That was a weekly POC. So 54, 52-ish is kind of being the pivot for me. And that was the area where we failed a couple times, and we caught some bids in the morning. So 52 will be where I'll be looking as a pivot. To the upside, I will be looking to long 88.5 just because weekly value area low is sitting at 87.75. So I will be looking for a reversion to last week's half, which is sitting at 37.18.5, just kind of the top of this box here, this white box. And I will be offered at 37.11. Now, let's go into a bit more detail here. If we do open outside of value, so if we do open over 44, I will be looking for a look above and fail scenario. And actually, there will be a couple trades here. So let's say we open at 47. I will be looking for a move above the day's high and taking it long at 52 half. And if it does end up puttering out, I will look for a short again at 52 quarter, looking for a move into the POC at 26. And below, I will be looking to long 16. I do think the week's low is in for now for the rest of Tuesday and Wednesday. Just given that Wednesday we've got the FOMC minutes, which isn't a lot of news, but it will be something we'll be waiting on, as well as Thursday pre-market we have CPI, which that'll be the big news for the week that we'll be waiting for. So I do think the low of the week is in, so I will be looking to bid 16 half. And same thing, if 16 half does fail, I will be looking to short it for a move to new lows on the week. Now to the upside, let's get rid of that. To the upside, if the bid does hold at 52 half, I will be looking for a long once we get out of that Friday value area high at 81.75. To me, getting above not only the 74 area that's been so critical, the 76, 74 area that we've been using for a while, getting above that, getting above 69, which I believe is the 7-day balance POC. We can pull that up starting at 9:30. There we go. Running down to here. Yeah, the POC is sitting at 69 for that 7-day balance. So once we get above not only that a couple weeks ago POC at 52 half, but also that 7-day balance POC at 69, I'm not really too interested at fading. I think we'll break over the value area high from Friday 81, get above this sort of 92, 94 area, and then look to take 88.5 long, that prior week value area low, long for a move back up into the highs of this balance area that have been so pivotal in terms of an area that have been key for shorting and longing. I will be offered at 37.11. There's a chance I get run over, and if I do get run over, hopefully I have the opportunity to take 11 long up into the gap range close at 50.75. I'm aware the price close is a little bit higher. The 4 p.m. price close is sitting at 56-ish. However, I think I'd be a little bit aggressive in taking the range gap close at 53 quarters, ignoring these upper levels up here. So again, and if we do move on down, I will be looking to short 87 half, and looking to bid and short 72 half, the current globe right around the current Globex yearly low. So in general, what I'm looking for is now that we will likely be trading above settlement lows, sitting at 32 half, and trading below settlement highs at 17. We'll be trading in an area where longs are not being forced to sell and shorts are not being forced to buy. So in general, what you would expect is a more balanced, clean, rotational day Hopefully a little bit cleaner than today, just because bonds were closed today, this Thanksgiving and Columbus Day, sorry. Canadian Thanksgiving, American Columbus Day, of course. So I will be looking for a largely rotational day, but again, once we get over that volume at 52.5, and especially that volume at 69, the weekly open, Friday's value area high, I won't be looking to fade that 88 area. Instead, re-enter the value area low from the week prior, offer 37.11s for that last shot short for the Bears, and then take 11 long if need be. Hope that makes sense. There might be a slight change to the levels based off of Globex's action, but that should be it for today. Trade safe, everyone.